Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can delete Snapchat messages. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your you need to go to your Snapchat app and log in with your account. Once you do that, go to the message or chats option. Now from here, just go to any chats where you have sent a message. So this is the message I sent. So now what you're going to do is long press on this message, and over here you'll be having this option which says delete. Now just press on delete and press on OK and delete again. Now you can see you have deleted a message on Snapchat. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.